friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Thanks for all the love and support that you have given to me. We know very well that toner is very good for our skin and how much important it is for our daily care routine. A toner helps to tighten up our pores and also helps to cleanse up all the dirt materials that remains into our skin after washing our face. So today I am going to show you making of a toner that is very much good and perfect for oily and acne prone skin with just two ingredients, and you can easily make this at home. So these two ingredients that I'm using to make this toner is, the first one is the Dabur Gulabari Premium Rose Water. We know very well that rose water itself has a refreshing property and also has the property of soothing the skin. It helps to refreshes and soothes our skin, and most of us use rose water, only rose water, as a toner. So, and it's for all skin type. So I am taking this rose water, and the another thing which I'm going to add in this toner as an extra thing, and which is very much good and perfect for the oily and acne prone skin, is this. It's a green tea essential oil, tea tree essential oil. It's from Aroma Treasures. So I have purchased this one from the Nykaa brand, and I will give the link below in the description box. We know very well that essential oils, mainly essential oils, are very much rich in concentration, and they directly act onto the skin on or onto the affected area. And since tea tree is very much good for the oily and acne prone skin, so these two things and this toner that I'm going to uh, make from these two things, this toner is only for the acne and the acne prone skins and for the oily skin. So guys, let's get into the video and see the procedure of making this toner. For making this DIY toner, at first we have to take a 100 ml spray bottle like this. You can get this kind of container in any local stores. After that, we have to take rose water. The rose water that I am using here is from the Dabur Gulabari Premium Rose Water. You can also use homemade rose water. Now I am transferring this rose water into this spray bottle container. So here be careful so that your rose water does not spills out of the container. See, I have transferred the rose water into this container. Now I am going to add essential oil. The essential oil that I am using here is the tea tree essential oil. Since this toner is for the oily and acne prone skins, we know very well that tea tree is very good for that oily and acne prone skins. Since essential oils are very much concentrated, so we have to use a very little amount. Here I am adding just 3 to 4 drops of essential oil in 100 ml of rose water. This comes in this kind of small bottle, and it has a drop like structure on its head so that you can pour this easily. Be careful of about adding the essential oil. Just shake it well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just these 4 drops are enough for your 100 ml toner. Remember always that if you add more essential oils, a more amount of essential oil, then your skin will get very much irritated and may cause very allergic reactions, because I have told you that essential oils are very rich in concentration. Since it is the mixture of water and oil, we have to shake it very well. Like this, we have to shake it, and you can use this daily. Use this during your day and your night time also, and during the usage of this toner, you have to shake it well before, so that the oil and the water get mixed up very easily, and you can easily spray it like this. A small amount of spray will makes your skin very much refreshing, like this. See, very much refreshing. So this is very easy to make it. So friends, you have seen how easy is to make this toner at home. You can easily make this toner, and it's very quickly, and you can do this very quickly. It's very quickly to make and very quickly to use also. This toner will give you a very refreshing look, a very refreshed feel, and also helps to combat with the oily and the acne prone skins. But do remember one thing, that this toner is not for the other skin types like the dry or the combined skin. It's only specifically for the oily and the acne prone skin. You can use this during your day and your night time also. So guys, this is all about my today's video about the making of a toner for the oily and acne prone skin. Hope you guys like my videos very much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I put a new video. And also comment down in the comment section that what toner you use for your skin, and if you are going to use this toner, if you are making this toner that I have shown in this video, then also let me know what are the benefits you are getting from these toners. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, tata.